how to create Google form. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now search for Google Forms. Over here you can find this link of Google Forms online form creator. Just open this link. Now go to this option, go to Forms. Over here you can find different templates. For more option you can click on this option, template gallery, and you can find more options of templates. For now here I'm gonna click on this option, blank. From here you can just create a form. Firstly you can add some title over here. You can add some description. Now here you can see this option of untitled question. You can add your question. Here I'm gonna type email ID. You can see this drop down, click on it and set it to short answer as it is just an email ID. If you want to set it as required, then you can just click on this icon and turn on this option of required. If you want to add more questions, click on this plus icon and add it. Here I'm gonna ask the question of, have you subscribed? Here I'm gonna set it to multiple choice. I'm gonna set it to add all. Yes, no, maybe. If you want to add more questions, then you can just click on this plus icon and add it. In this way you can easily create Google form. You can also review it by clicking on this icon, preview. In this way you can easily create Google form. I hope now you guys are totally clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.